Lesson 1. English Start Here. EP1. Welcome to Tarano Speak English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tarano Speak English. I'm very happy you're here. Do you want to speak English naturally? Do you want to feel confident when you speak? Do you want to use English in real life every day? If your answer is yes, this channel is for you. The Tarano Speak English is a practical English learning channel for real life. Here, we don't focus on difficult textbook English. We focus on real English. English that people use every day. We help you speak English naturally, confidently, and correctly, step by step, from beginners A1 to advanced learners C2. On Tarano Speak English channel, you will learn English through daily real-life English conversations. You will learn English that people use every day. How to say hello, how to talk to friends, how to speak at school, at work, or outside. Here are simple real-life conversations that are perfect for A1 to A2 learners. Saying hello in daily life.
Hi, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Not bad, thanks.
Talking to friends.
What are you doing later?
Just relaxing at home.
Nice, that sounds good.
Talking at work or school.
Are you free now?
Yes. What's up?
Hey, can you help me for a minute?
This is real English, not difficult textbook English. English speaking practice, A1 to C2. We help you practice speaking, not only listening. You will repeat sentences. You will speak out loud. Lessons start from easy, A1, and slowly go to advanced, C2. You can learn at your own speed. Simple dialogues and role plays. You will see short conversations between people. Two friends talking, a student and a teacher, a customer and a worker. Here are simple, natural sample conversations. Two friends talking.
Hey! Long time no see.
Yeah. How have you been?
I've been good. You?
Talking between student and teacher.
Excuse me, can I ask a question?
Sure. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Customer and worker role plays.
Hi, how much is this?
It's $10.
Okay, I'll take it.
You can listen, repeat, and act like the speakers. English for real situations. You will learn English for the work, meetings, emails, talking to coworkers. Travel, airport, hotel, taxi, bus, restaurants. Social life, friends, family, small talk. Here are the sample conversations. Work, talking to coworkers/meetings.
A. Hi. Do you have a minute?
B. Sure. What's up?
A. Can we talk about the meeting?
Work, simple email in spoken version.
Did you send the email?
Yes. I sent it this morning.
Great, thank you.
Travel at the airport.
May I see your passport?
Yes. Here you are.
Thank you.
Travel at the hotel.
Hi, I have a reservation.
What's your name, please?
It's Mark.
A sample conversation with a taxi driver while traveling.
Where to?
Downtown, please.
Okay, let's go.
A sample conversation at a restaurant.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have this one.
Sure.
A sample conversation with a friend in daily life.
How was your day?
It was busy, but good.
Nice to hear that.
You can use this English in real life, not only in class. English used in movies and TV scenes. We teach English from movies and TV shows. You will learn natural sentences, common expressions, how native speakers really talk. This helps you understand English faster and more naturally. In movies and TV, people don't speak like textbooks. They use short, natural sentences and common expressions. Let's learn how native speakers really talk. Here are some examples of what you will learn. Sample 1. Friends talking in a movie-style scene. Scene. Two friends meet outside.
Hey, you made it.
Yeah, traffic was crazy.
Tell me about it.
You made it means you arrived. Tell me about it means I understand. Sample 2. At work. TV series style. Scene. Office conversation.
A. Are you good to go?
B, almost. Give me 1 minute.
A. No rush.
Good to go means ready. No rush means take your time. When you learn English from movies and TV, you understand faster and speak more naturally. Follow Tarano Speak English and start speaking today. You will also learn English through stories. Stories are easy to remember. They help you learn new words, sentence patterns, feelings and ideas. Learning English through stories is fun and relaxing. Here is a sample of the short tales.
Tom was waiting for the bus. An old man dropped his bag. Tom helped him pick it up. The old man smiled and said, "Thank you. You are very kind." Tom felt happy all day.
We also teach English conversations about hobbies and daily activities. You will learn how to talk about music, sports, food, travel, and your daily routine using easy, natural English. This helps you speak English about your own life. You can also learn English for psychology and understand people better. At Tarano Speak English, you will learn English about feelings, thoughts, emotions, body language. Sample topic. Staying calm under pressure. Sometimes you feel stressed or nervous. That is normal. Take a deep breath and slow down. Tell yourself, I can handle this. One small step is enough. You are doing better than you think. This helps you understand what people really mean, not only their words. This channel, Tarano Speak English, is perfect for beginners, A1 to A2 level, intermediate learners, B1 to B2, and advanced learners, C1 to C2. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to be fluent now. You only need one thing: practice every day. And again, practice every day. Learning English is a journey, not a race. It is normal to feel shy, nervous, or afraid of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. The most important thing is to practice every day, even for a short time. When you listen carefully, repeat the words, and speak out loud, your confidence will grow. Little by little, you will understand more and speak better. If you want to improve your English step by step, please subscribe to Tarano Speak English. New videos will help you practice speaking, listening, and understanding real English. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new lessons. You can also like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn English with you. Thank you very much for watching and learning with us today. We are happy to be part of your English learning journey. Remember, English becomes easier when you practice often and enjoy the process. Keep learning, keep speaking, and believe in yourself. See you in the next lesson on Tarano Speak English. Don't wait. Start today.